So during the day, FirstBuild is alive with lots of engineers and marketing and different people working on products like the Sourdough Sidekick. But at night and on the weekends, FirstBuild transforms into a community makerspace where anybody can come in and bring a project that they want to work on or an idea and turn that into something that they can actually hold. And one of those community projects is the Toddler Mobility Trainer. One thing I'm working on right now is something called a TMT, or a Toddler Mobility Trainer. It's a project by a group called MakeGood, and they designed a 3D printable, basically a wheelchair for kids, for children who are first learning to use a wheelchair. Unfortunately, in a lot of cases, insurance doesn't cover that, and so this is a kind of a stopgap solution to get them introduced to the concept of using a wheelchair. So I've made a couple of these now, and we're about to start making the third one. I've got the uncle of the kid who's going to be receiving this chair has been helping me do the build, as well as another engineer. So the wheelchair is 3D printed almost completely. There are a few parts that we have to purchase, and the organization that designed the chair, MakeGood, actually produced a little kit that you can buy that has all the parts that you need that aren't 3D printable. And you can 3D print the entire thing. It takes about 21 days of straight print time. That's no downtime on the printer at all, and that's assuming that all the parts work perfectly the first time, which they don't. You can actually do this yourself. You can sign up at 3d-mobility.org, and you can start printing this yourself. And there's listings of all the people in the community in your area who've requested a chair like this. And so you could even get started at your home helping that community. So if you're totally unaware of how 3D printing works, this is the way I explain it to my kids. It takes a plastic like this that we call filament and essentially just draws a picture on a plate like this and fills that picture in and colors it all with this plastic, and then it moves up just a tiny bit, a fraction of a millimeter, and then draws another picture on top of that. And it keeps doing that and stacking those pictures until you get a product like this. And it prints that last little bit, and then you take it off the print plate and you've got a part made out of a little piece of string. So these chairs are fully assembled by the makers who produce them. When we deliver them to the families, they are ready to go and completely assembled. If any of the parts mess up or break or anything over time, we can replace them because it's completely 3D printed. So it's very easy to replace and repair if needed. So for this last build on my third chair that we produced, I actually teamed up with a few other makers in the community here. We all 3D printed parts, and we were able to produce that chair with record time. It was a great experience, and I hope to do more partnering with other makers. You can actually, on this the website for this chair, you can actually go on there and pair with makers through their site as well. So if you want to learn more about this project, maybe even build some of these chairs yourself, you can look it up. The organization is called MakeGood, and the product is called the Toddler Mobility Trainer, or TMT for short. Their website is 3d-mobility.org. So take a look at that site if you're interested and might be interested in helping out build more chairs. And I'm going to keep building more, and we'll see you next time.